30% of the Earth is covered by forest, and trees are an enormous recurring natural resource utilized throughout the world. Processing this timber further requires not only human manpower, but also the right tools. In this program, we test for the best sawing system in the world. We've selected Finland for our test site because of its tough conditions and world-famous wood business expertise. And our test team is already there and raring to go. So today we're testing to find the best circular sawmill in the world. On the left, Wally Woodman is representing the traditional circular saw generation, and he's using a tractor-towed mobile field saw model 1948. On the right, Larry Limet is representing Limet circular sawmills made by laisami1.mpg. But where's Larry's gear?
Yep. Hop, hop.
Well, now we've got the equipment on site, let's start the test. Wally, are you ready? And Larry? Good, then the test begins. On your marks, get set. Okay, it seems Larry's team got their sawmill ready to go first, so let the sawing begin. Alright, now that both teams have the logs ready, we can begin comparing features. First, the body structure. Limet looks very solid, 5 stars. And Wally's machine? Okay, it seems that the preparations are not quite finished. Then to the log lifter. In Limet's machine, everything is hydraulic and there's power to spare, 5 stars again. Wally's machine is clearly not very economic in terms of manpower, but, well, he's got it up anyway. 1 star. Third are the feed rollers. Looks like smooth rolling and good going with Limet, so another 5 stars. And how about Wally's bearings? Nice rolling with a little manual help. However, Woodman's best score so far. Our judges say 2 stars. Now to dimension controller devices. Larry seems to have an electronic dimension controller. Just push a button for whatever thickness of timber you require, and so the usual number of stars. Let's see how Wally's dimensioning's going. Well, it's clearly a manual model and... oops, it's a little bit fragile. Are we getting a figure for thickness? Maybe we should just go on. Next feature. So to the blade guides. In Limet's sawmill, this is also precisely designed. and the blade guides are close to the table surface, providing excellent support for the blade. Now for Wally, and what's this? A bottle of milk and finished rye bread? Well, let's make a note. No blade guides. And now for the hydraulic top saw. There seems to be a straightforward solution in the Limit model. It works well, and even big trunks go through smoothly. 5 stars once more. And Wally's top saw? Looks like it's manual too, but let's see if the rye bread help. Yes, it seems to be powerful, but still rather troublesome and slow. Unfortunately, it's no stars again. Now, what about the sawdust fan? Looks fine as usual, and you can even collect the sawdust. Oh dear, be careful not to inhale, Wally. Well, this doesn't strike us as terribly effective. Now for the hydraulic log fastening device. Larry demonstrates how the fastening happens, and so it goes. And then to the competitor. It's another milk break. I don't think Wally will trouble Limit or the judges on this score. So what about blade sharpening machines then? Limit makes this easy again, and right on the sawing site without unfastening the blade. Wally's looking mysterious. What is it? Aha! File! And it goes back and forth so fast that he must have had some previous experience. Okay! 2 stars for swift performance. And then finally we come to the log tables and their operation. Limit has broad, firm and fast tables. So the familiar number of stars. And Wally's machine started fine. It looks good. Oh dear. And now Wally's really losing it. No points, and Wally's had it. Victory goes to Limit, and Larry sportingly invites Wally over to get acquainted with the winning system. The contest seems to have drained Wally of energy, and he's moaning rather about his aching back. Larry comforts Wally and seems to be saying that Limet's sawmills spare the man, as everything is hydraulic and ergonomics are improved by a heated working platform and good lighting. Special attention has also been paid to safety, and each hazard point is well marked and guarded. Just a moment, what's happening here? Wally seems to be getting seriously interested in the Limit sawmill and would clearly like to buy one for himself. Well, he's just checking his wallet. Larry certainly seems happy, but that's not quite enough. But fortunately, Limit has many different models to offer. The test was carried out on the factory's top-of-the-line model, the Limit 130. And now Larry and Wally are looking at the next model, the Limit 120, which is equipped with almost identical features and has a lighter frame. And then there's the 100, ideal for all users, and that's exactly what Wally's buying.